Hello friends, I'm Niamatullah Aziz. I faced 6 grade baldness in my hairs, and I lost total my hairs. And I decided to got a treatment, and I came to Enhance Clinic, and I meet Mr. Gaurav, and he is a very intelligent doctor. We had discussions, and I got a transplant under his guidance. And now you see that after just 6 months, and after 3 PRPs, I got such result, and I got my hairs back, and I'm very happy and satisfied.